to my channel. Today I am joined by both doggos, one here, and we are doing a Amazon haul. I have not done one of these before, but I have been collecting some packages, some things I've already opened, and I'm excited. So let's jump into it. There will be so much dog hair floating in this video. It's on my nose already, I can feel it. Anywho, so I have a collection of things, some that we bought from Amazon quite a while ago, some that I have not unboxed yet, and we are going to go through all of it today. So, first things first, this. So this is a dog paw cleaner. So basically can you sit? Paw? Your paw's not big enough. Oh yeah, basically it goes, oops, sorry baby, like this, and clean, clean, clean. But it would normally be full of water, and you can put like soaps and things in it if you like. It's actually really handy. So through winter, when the dogs were getting quite dirty paws just from running through the yard, nearly knocked over the tripod, this was really handy for when they were coming inside. You just pop their feet in, give each paw a little clean, and it would pull off all of the dirt, pretty much all the dirt and mud, and it is very easy to clean. So the top bit just unscrews, and then this silicone thing in the middle pops out and you can just clean it. As such, do not leave it in your kitchen because it does look like a cup, and that's not something you want to get mixed up. So then to put it back together, these bits just kind of like sloot in together. I'm doing it backwards because I'm really intelligent. Ooh. Yeah, so they just slot in like so, pop it back in, and screw it back on. It's really fantastic. That's not how you screw it. It's really fantastic, really handy, and a really like compact way to clean their paws rather than trying to like hose them down or have like just water everywhere. Handy, handy, handy. Second dog related item, not surprising at all. We recently got a whole new stash. This is covered in hair because they've been playing with it inside, but a whole lot more Kongs. So the black ones are like the tough type. There's also, we've got a red one from when we just had Frost because she is not a power chewer. Kai is a power chewer. So we got 4 of these. We have a smaller one and the red one and a few other different random types, but they are fantastic for freezing food and things in here and giving your dogs something to do to entertain them that lasts a while, and yeah, just something to entertain them. Whilst the shed was being built, the dogs had to be inside, fencing, etc. So enrichment. Neighbour's putting his bin out. How dare they? So dog enrichment, we had 4 of them. They are scattered throughout the house at this point. Frost also just loves playing with them as though it was a ball, so double purpose, which is handy. Third item is also pet related. As I briefly mentioned in my last, was it my last video or the one before that? I don't know. But I briefly mentioned in another video this year that Annie was having surgery. She did, it went well, but she hates the cone, as most animals do. But on the other side of that, she's also getting a little bit older, as she is. I don't think her vision is as amazing as it used to be, and so she was running into everything. She was miserable. She just seemed super depressed with the cone on. So I got her a little kitty surgery suit thing. I have some footage of her wearing it. I will go grab her in just a second. I just don't want to disturb her right now. So she has her little purple surgery suit. It doesn't quite cover all of the spots where she has scars. So she had 3 spots where there's stitches. So her leg one's not covered by it, so we don't leave her in it unattended. However, it's way more comfortable for her to be in that when we're home and just hanging out and cuddling with her, as opposed to the cone that she hates. So long story short, a ridiculous cat suit was another one of our recent Amazon purchases. Here she is. Kai, leave her. Leave her alone. Here is the beautiful lady in her stylish suit. It's got like Velcro here, a little thing where you can tighten it if your cat's not a fatty. You a fatty dog. So she's getting a bit more comfortable being held. This car's going past out the window, so she's all excited. But it's way more comfortable for her in this than the cone. I'm gonna put her back in her bed now. Go back to sleep. It holds her chunky belly very well. I love it. Say bye to the people. Bye, people. Good job. So, those are all of the items that are already unboxed and being used. I now have 3 boxes to open up with you that I can't remember what is in 2 of them. This one, I do not remember what's in it. Also, I've started cleaning out this filming room and I found my box cutter, so that's exciting for everybody. Alright, what is in here? What the hell is that? Oh! I completely forgot I bought this. This is not even on my list of things to talk to you about. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have wanted one of these for a long time. Wow. It's a peeler, like a veggie and fruit and etc. peeler thing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My main excitement for this is potatoes, oranges, and apples. But oh my god, I am so excited. I can't believe I forgot about this. When did I buy this? This was not even in my history. So I don't know when. Okay, those are blades, charger, and the thing. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my goodness. I'm starting to have some memories come back of ordering this, so that's really cool. I'm pumped. Ooh. I'm so excited to try this. Let me know if you would like to know how I go using this, but as I am having more and more things come back to my brain, I bought this when Evan and I started our Sunday juice. Sorry, I've been so distracted. I'm barely even looking at the camera opening this. But I got this when Evan and I started our Sunday morning juice routine because I am on the hunt to get a juicer, but they have, like every time we go there, I watch them peel the oranges and it's really cool. So I wanted one and now I have one and I totally forgot about it and I'm so excited. Yay! All right. This box, I know I have opened, but we got this a very long time ago. So I only remember some of the things that are in here. What is this? Ooh, okay, so I got a set of, what did I do with the box cutter? So this is a box of glass straws and I'm really excited to try these. So they come like this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 with a bend and 4 that are straight, and then 2 cleaners, which is great. The reason I grabbed these is because we have metal ones. As I mentioned in my other video, hate paper straws, hate cardboard straws, do not enjoy that life. So I grabbed some glass ones because we do have stainless steel straws, but the concept of them just irks me. I know you can clean them out with these thingies, but you can't see in there, and I don't trust it. I don't trust that they're clean 100%, so it makes me like, don't like it. Anyway, so glass straws, you can see in them. You know if they're going to be clean or not. And I also enjoy that these are quite thick as well. So the glass obviously itself is very thick, but the straw, like the straw hole is quite thick as well. So they'll be good for smoothies and like juice and things like that. So excited to wash these and give them a try. I can't believe I've left those in this box for so long. That's a problem. Next is a new set of kitchen utensils. So how many? 14 pieces of kitchen utensils are in this box, which kind of surprises me. Like, that's a lot to be in such a tiny little box. But I remember that was English, getting these. So they're like dark grey, black. Oh, that's how they're in there. They're in a jar already. Dark grey. There we go. So this is the brand. Wrong way. They're in the windows. Anyway, everything will be linked below, so you don't have to stress too much about not being able to see the branding and everything. But this is a 14-piece utensil set because we've been going through our kitchen. The Kmart ones, they're shit. Shocker. But I just was getting really sick of everything mismatching because things were breaking. We were finding random ones that we had in our storage. So I just grabbed a fresh set of 14 pieces. They just have the wooden handle. They're like silicone up the top, and they're all this dark grey kind of colour. So everything matches now, and got all the things you would ever need. So all your regular stuff. So your whisk, spatulas, spoons, yeah, all the things. All the things. So, yay! That's exciting. Everything's going to match again, and it's going to make me so happy. I don't know if I will use this. The only thing that doesn't match is tongs, because you obviously, like, wooden tongs would be a bit weird, but it's still the same grey colour. But I don't know if I'll use this, because we do have one, Frost, in the kitchen, but it's not really, like, I'm not really super fond of it anymore, but it comes with a thing as well, which is handy. So that's that one. Alright, the last thing in this box I am super excited about because we've started going through our kitchen drawers to reorganize them, and this is super exciting. I can't wait to get this into our kitchen. It is a like food wraps organizer, and I am so excited. So we have a bamboo like utensil divider as well. So this thing is gonna be great. So it is just a bamboo wraps dispenser. This slides, it looks like. You can mount it to a wall if you wanted to, so it would be like that, and you would just pull and chop. We're not gonna do that, it's just gonna go in the drawer. But let me open this up and then I can properly show you. So this is the bit that opens, so that is where you put everything in. These are the little screws to mount it if you wanted to, and it comes with labels as well. So currently I will be able to put foil and Glad Wrap in here. The wax paper that we got from Costco, and it's in this giant thing, so that's not going to fit in here. But eventually, when that runs out, we will get a normal sized one. Oh, it just kind of sits in there. Oh, it magnets in, so it's not on a slider, it's just a magnet. So there's magnets on that end and on that bit. So it just sits perfectly in place. That's nifty. So yeah, and it's got the little choppers as well to make ripping it not as nightmarish. So I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to put this in my drawer. It's not even something that's going to be on display, but it's going to, just knowing that things have their correct place makes my brain very happy. So this is going to be great. I'm very excited for it. This next one's going to be real hard to show you. I'm gonna take a photo of it, so I'm gonna pause my filming for a second, take a photo of how big this brick box is, especially with Frost right next to it for size, like scaling. So hold please. So this is gonna be tricky, interesting. Watch out, Frosty. Kai, can you go over here? Come on, up, up. No, you don't need to both be on the box. Buddy, this is great filming. Okay, let's see if I can. I'm not even gonna fit in frame. I can't show you the whole. Oh, you can't even see me. I can't show you the whole box. So I am going to open it though for you because this I am very excited about. So I have been eyeing this off for maybe 2-3 years at this point. I am so excited that we are finally in a position where we can spend this much money, and that there was such a good sale on this. Like, I saved hundreds on how much it normally is, especially coming to Australia. So Kai, back please, back. Okay. The size of this box compared to the size of the box that's inside is ridiculous. Let me show you. Look at all this empty space. Wow. Spoilers, it's a vacuum. Let me get that out. Alright, so basically this is a, what do they describe it as? Smart cordless vacuum and wash. So this is, it's the Tineco, whatever, Floor 1S5. I got it in, I don't know what they call the colour, but it's like the black, greyish looking one. It mops, vacuums. It's really cool. I have been following, I can't remember what her Instagram name is because I can never remember names when I'm trying to tell you guys things, but I will put her right here. I've been following her like house account for years, mainly because of her bathroom. I love the black tiles in her bathroom. But anyway, this is something that she frequently shares, and it's just really freaking cool. So it vacuums and mops in like the same situation, and it's really cool, and I'm really excited to use it. So currently we'll only be able to use it in our bathrooms, kitchen, and the dining area. There is a fly in here. Eventually we're gonna, once we renovate and do everything, we will have like floorboards the whole way through the house. So this will be very handy for years and years and years to come, and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to use this and do things. Anything that has a 2-in-1 function, makes my cleaning time shorter, just love it. So I am very excited about that one. I will also leave some links to some of like the videos where she uses that as well, because it's just fucking cool. It's so cool. Apologies, language, but so cool. I'm very excited. All right, that fly. All right, the fly has been released back into the wilderness, and that is everything that I have been hoarding that we've bought from Amazon over the past few months. I'm really excited for some of these purchases, especially the ones that I completely forgot about, which I don't have a problem. It's fine. I am really starting to love Amazon lately, so there will be more Amazon videos coming in the future. Probably not as common as my Kmart ones, but I'm really excited for the things that I've got like in my wish list that we will purchase over time. So keep an eye out for those videos in the future. Subscribe if you would like to see them, if you're interested in hauls and vlogs and lifestyle stuff that this channel is turned into. And join our family. I lost my voice then. Flawless. Join our family if you would like to. Leave a like or a comment, let me know what kind of stuff you're interested in, if you're interested in any videos from the stuff I got in this haul, particularly the vacuum. I'm really excited about that one, so I'm 100% doing a video on that, whether you guys like it or not. So look out for that one as well. That's it from me for today. I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Have a great afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are. Mwah. That was a ridiculous outro, wasn't it, Kai? Cool.